So we're going to go into the final vignette of this backswing series. And again, we're going to introduce the concept of the transition. We have talked about the initiation, we've talked about halfway. We're at the top now. How do you start your golf swing? From the top, back down to the ball. I'm going to give you one of my major faults. This is what I do way too much. Watch my lead shoulder. When I get here, my first move oftentimes is that shoulder moving. Look at where my hands have moved to. This is called over the top. And this results in a descending, cutting blow that loses power, loses accuracy, and loses consistency. So from the top, one of the biggest challenges is you need to simply start the swing by dropping your hands. Drop them a little bit before you start driving with your hips. It's the driver of the hips. From this point, this hip is going to at some point have to clear, and this leg is going to come to be a post. They call it posting up, post and go. You're in a good position, you're coming down, the hip is starting to move. Notice how the leg is starting to straighten. At this point, my hip has already moved quite a bit. My hands are in a good position. My club again is pointing up to the sky. And at this point, all I'm going to do is continue to swing and move that club to the ball. Again, it's from here, all of your power from this point to this point is going to be stored energy. You're going to get to this point with all of your force, all of your drive, all of your energy through the ball, not at the ball. So when you get to the ball, instead of your hands rolling like this, you want this knuckle, your lead knuckle, to come down and drive